Your app description isn't just an afterthought, it's a silent salesperson. It helps users decide whether to install, and it signals to the algorithm what your app is about. But here's the twist. Writing high-converting descriptions for iOS and Android isn't the same game. Let's break down how each platform handles descriptions and how to write copy that converts. iOS descriptions, built for humans. Apple doesn't index your full description for keyword ranking. That means your iOS description is written entirely for users, not for the algorithm. Think of it as your in-store pitch. You need to hook attention, build trust, and drive the download, all within a few scrolls. Start with a strong first sentence. On iOS, only the first couple of lines are visible before users tap Read More. So lead with your value prop. Be clear, benefit-driven, and user-focused. For example, transform your sleep routine with science-backed soundscapes and real-time sleep tracking. Fall asleep faster. Wake up refreshed. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and headers to improve readability. Highlight key features, social proof, and differentiators. Avoid blocks of text. Mobile users won't read them. Use action verbs like track, discover, create, master. They're energetic and drive engagement, and always end with a subtle but clear call to action, like download now and start your transformation. Android descriptions, built for users in search. Google Play, on the other hand, does index your app's short and long description, so you're writing for humans and for Google's algorithm. That means your Android description needs to be keyword optimized, but keyword optimization doesn't mean stuffing. It means strategic placement. Start strong with a human-first headline, then naturally integrate your top keywords throughout the first 250 characters. This is the most impactful zone for ranking. Use semantic variations of your core keywords. For example, instead of repeating budget planner 10 times, use phrases like money tracker, expense app, and financial organizer. This keeps your copy natural and algorithm-friendly. Structure matters here too. Use bullet points to highlight features, but also sprinkle in keywords where it makes sense. Write as if you're explaining your app to a friend, but a friend who's also an App Store algorithm. Shared principles for both platforms. No matter the store, your description should focus on benefits, not just features. Use social proof or user quotes if available. Reflect your app's tone, whether it's calming, high energy, or innovative. Be updated regularly to match app changes or seasonal trends. And remember, the description is not just for conversion. It's also a retention tool. A clear, honest, benefit-focused description sets the right expectations, so users stick around longer after downloading. Lastly, test everything. Use A/B testing on Google Play to experiment with different copy versions. Track what gets more installs, better ratings, and longer session times. Data turns good descriptions into great ones. In the next lesson, we'll dive into localization, how to adapt your metadata for different languages and markets to unlock global growth. But first, revisit your app's description. Is it written for the right audience on the right platform? If not, it's time to level it up.